Selling courses online is one of the biggest opportunities to make money on the internet right now. There's huge demand for specific skills, and entrepreneurship itself creates constant demand because people need to learn how to actually do this. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use AI plus Skool plus YouTube to come up with a validated course idea and turn it into recurring income. Even if you've never built a course before, let's start with the real problem. Most people fail at online courses for two big reasons. They pick an idea nobody wants and they build it in isolation with no audience, no validation, and no feedback. They spend months recording, editing, building slides, and then no one buys. We're not doing that. We're going to let AI do the heavy lifting for the market research and course validation. Step 1, use AI to find a real course idea. Open ChatGPT and use a prompt like, "You are a world-class online course strategist. Your job is to help me find profitable course ideas that solve painful problems for people who are willing to pay. Give me 5 validated course ideas, and for each one tell me who it's for, what problem it solves, and why there's demand for it." AI will come back with fully fleshed out ideas. For example, DIY home studio setup for content creators. Target audience new creators and course makers who want to look and sound professional without hiring a tech team. Pain point bad lighting, echoey audio, ugly backgrounds, and they have no idea what to buy. That's a real painful, urgent problem. By the way, if you're already thinking of an idea, pause this video and drop it in the comments. I want to see what you're working on. Step 2, validate that idea before you build anything. Now we go deeper. We take that idea and we ask AI to validate it. Something like, "Here's my course idea, DIY home studio setup for content creators. Your job is to validate if this will sell in today's market. Check the problem and demand. Scan the top 5 competing courses and memberships. Tell me the gaps I can fill. Suggest pricing ranges and whether this is a weak, moderate, or strong opportunity." Now, instead of guessing, you're looking at, is this a real problem? Are people actually searching for this? Where are competitors dropping the ball? Maybe the gap is nobody shows step-by-step layouts for tiny bedrooms or low budgets. Cool, that's your angle. You're not just another course. You're the tiny room, no tech person studio in 7 days course. Step 3, turn it into a Skool plus YouTube offer. Now that we know the idea is valid, we wrap it in a simple system. Think of it like this. YouTube brings the traffic. Skool is where you host the course and community. AI makes everything faster. Inside Skool, you really just need 3 things. A classroom where your lessons live, a community where people can ask questions and stay accountable, a calendar for 1 weekly call, Q&A, or ship day session. That's it. You don't need 27 funnels, 10 upsells, and 40 bonuses. You need one clear problem, one clear outcome, one simple path. Step 4, price it. So recurring income is built in AI, can even help suggest price ranges based on what similar offers are charging. Maybe it tells you one-time course could be $150, $290 membership, $25, $49 a month for template support and live calls. Now imagine 1,000 people paying you $29 a month. That's $29,000 a month for teaching something you already know and showing it in a clear, simple way. You don't need millions of followers. You need the right 500 to 1,000 people who want a specific result. Step 5, use AI to make your visuals and thumbnails. This is where most beginners get stuck. They think they need crazy editing and Hollywood B-roll to make a good course or video. You don't. You need clear visuals that help people see what you're teaching. You can find a high-performing YouTube video in your niche, screenshot the thumbnail, ask AI, analyze this thumbnail, and write me a detailed AI image prompt to create something similar but original. Then use that prompt in your favorite image tool and boom, you've got a high converting style without copying. You can even upload a good photo of yourself on a clean background and tell AI, use this picture of me in the thumbnail with the same style and layout. Now your course looks pro, your channel looks consistent, and it took you minutes instead of days. If this part interests you, tell me in the comments thumbnail and I'll know to make a full breakdown video on just this. Quick Recap AI helps you find course ideas that actually have demand. Validate them before you waste months building. See what competitors are charging and where they're weak. And turn one simple idea into a YouTube-powered, Skool-based recurring income machine. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need to be internet famous. You need one validated problem, one clear promise, and the courage to ship. If this helped, do 3 things for me. 1, hit like so YouTube knows to push this to more people. 2, comment your course idea below. Even if it's messy, I read them and I might break one down in a future video. 3, subscribe, because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take that validated idea and turn it into a simple lesson outline you can record this week. You're closer to recurring income than you think. You just need the right system.